Well, good morning, traders. Let's talk about today's trading. And so it gapped down. And usually, when the market gaps down, the first trade we look for is to close the gap. And the market did exactly that. It moved up, closed the gap. Nope, I didn't catch that one. And so, as it closed the gap, it created an equal high with Friday's close. And then you get that hard rejection. And nope, I didn't get into that one either. I missed that one. Market comes down, makes equal lows, and then you get this little pop. Yep, I missed that one as well. Market reverses, comes back down, spikes through the equal lows, but it holds. And then it turns around and it reverses, and you get this beautiful move all the way back up to the highs. And so, nope, I missed that one as well. Hey, it's a 3-day weekend. What do you expect? All right, so on our way up there, we did create another equal high. And you could see we get this one red candle, we get that back test, and then it continues up. Now, as it gets close to making the equal high, and it really didn't make an equal high, right? It didn't do one of those three patterns. It didn't like bust right through there and then reverse, hard rejection. It didn't push right through and then continued, and it didn't just tap it and then reversed, right? It kind of fell short. And because it did fall short, I jumped into a put, right? Bought a put, going short the market, believing that the market was going to come down and retest VWAP again. And so let's see how this thing plays out. And so now I'm in a trade. And as you can see, I did adjust my stop and my sell order. I normally look for 50 cents to take profits, but this time I'm going to go a little longer, a little wider, I should say. I'm going to look for a whole dollar, right? So if I'm right, I'm going to make about $100 because I'm only trading one contract. It is the beginning of the week, 3-day weekend. I need to knock some dust off myself and just take it slow. So I'm just looking for a dollar, get $100, and I'm risking $30. So risking $30 to make $100, right? And that's what this trade is going to look like. All right. So let's see how it plays out. One contract. Let's go. Oh, that was so close. Close, but no cigar, as they say. So, a lot of times what I'll do is I would just move my sell limit up and just get out at this point simply because, if you don't, then you're waiting a whole lot longer. And I'd rather just take what the market gives me. But a lot of times it's hard to decipher whether it's going to come down and hit you or it's going to turn right around before. Difficult choice, but that's trading. So this is a great example of the market's giving you multiple opportunities. So today, I missed out on 4 great setups, but I took one really good setup as well, and still made some money. So in the market, it always gives you multiple opportunities to make money. So just find those multiple opportunities, whether it's equal highs, equal lows, and you can make money. So if you like this video, subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next video.